cracking Jump Nation? It's your boy here, Rushies, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Right guys, this is a very special video for me to make today. We are officially announcing the pre-order date for the one and only Legacy Rope. This is our first heavy rope concept. I just want to thank you guys for everything you guys have done for this channel. Without you, this would just not exist. This whole movement, everything that I'm doing right now just wouldn't be possible. Your support has been absolutely amazing. It's so humbling, guys, to be able to follow your journey, follow your fitness journey, and be a part of it, and just be able to help you. Everything that we've done with the Rush Athletic Speed Rope, the Money Rope, has just been so much more than I ever imagined it to be. And you guys have allowed me to create what is, I hope, the most kind of powerful rope that will be around for decades and years to come, hopefully. This rope has been like so long in the making, and I want it to be more than just a skipping rope, and that's why I've called it the Legacy Rope. So today I'm officially announcing the pre-order date, which is going to be May, what date did I say it was going to be? May the 19th. So May the 19th, 2 p.m. UK time, so work out where you are in the world. 2 p.m. UK time, we're going to launch this on our website for pre-order. And we've done pre-orders in the past, and what I want you guys to remember is we're going to try and get this to you as soon as possible, but the amount of demand and the amount of units that we're trying to get processed at the same time, we envisage and we kind of plan to get the product in hand and dispatched at the beginning of June. So this pre-order will probably last from 3 to 4 weeks. So once you pre-order, I want you guys to kind of stay on top of the channel, stay tuned, make sure you follow my Instagram. The reason for the pre-order is just to make sure that we can give you a chance to reserve your rope. That's exactly what we're trying to do. And that, like I said, I just want to get it out to as many people as possible. So pencil the date in. May the 19th is going to be the official pre-order date, and it's going to be exclusive on our website, www.rushathletics.co.uk. A lot of you are going to obviously be asking, is it going to be on Amazon? Yes, it will be. But this pre-order date of May the 19th is going to be exclusive for our website. Make sure you reserve it, whatever country you're in. And I'm going to obviously try and get it onto Amazon, but at this moment in time, we are focused on the website, our official site, and you'll be able to reserve it right there and then. Right, so I'm going to get so many questions about the rope, and I wanted to make this video to let you guys know more about it, why I created it, what's great about it, what's different to this rope compared to other ropes in the market. First and foremost, guys, this rope, like I said, is just more than a skipping rope. It is the Legacy Rope because it's something that I wanted to create for the market, for you guys out there, to just break the barriers down for those who want to lose weight, want to keep in shape, want to get the most out of their workouts. And we create this rope for strength and endurance. The Money Rope is for speed and agility. And you guys know that when you want to do tricks and you want to, just get quicker and everything else, the Money Rope is there for you. This rope is going to be the one that just gives you that power. It gives you that real sense of conditioning. Your body's going to really suffer with this, but you're going to love it because there's so many good points about this rope. So we're going to get into that right now. Right, so what is the weight of the Legacy Rope? The Legacy Rope is going to be 400 grams, approximately 400 grams, which is, put that into perspective, it's about maybe 3.5, 4 times heavier than the Money Rope. Why did we go for 400 grams? 400 grams, guys, is, I feel, the sweet spot. When you go sort of beyond that kind of weight limit, you're only going to ruin your wrist. You're going to really put a lot of stress on your joints, and repetitive strain injury, RSI, is a common kind of injury, and I don't want people to kind of go into their workouts and come out of it not feeling good or really hurting themselves. So 400 grams is the sweet spot. It's going to get you that solid workout, that solid sweat. It's going to melt fat, and most importantly, it's going to keep you guys looking slick. It's not going to make you look awkward. Like, there's a lot of people out there using super heavy ropes. They can't even maneuver the rope. They can't even do the sort of skills they want to do. They can't even do the transitions, the routines. This is going to allow you to really be able to do the moves that I show you on the tutorials. It's going to allow you to look slick, like we always promote on this channel. And most importantly, you're just going to enjoy your workouts. You're not going to kind of shy away from using this rope because it's too heavy and it's going to hurt you. And that's why we went for 400 grams. Okay, the mechanism. Do we have a mechanism on this rope? No, we don't. And if you guys have been following this channel and you bought my speed rope, you know that I am an advocate for non-mechanism ropes. I love the speed rope feel. The fact is, with a speed rope, you guys are gonna get like superior handling. You're gonna get that like feel that you guys need to create that slick workout, that slick routine, those transitions, everything that you've seen me do on this channel. The reason is because I use a speed rope, and we didn't go with the mechanism on this rope. What we did is we had it like a speed rope, comes directly out the handles, but we've got a small bearing inside the handle to allow it to rotate a little bit more easier, so you get less friction on the rope. So the point being is, why no mechanism? The truth is, I want you guys to get a proper workout. I feel that mechanism ropes assist a lot of people as well at the same time. They make double unders easier, they make certain things easier, and I want this to still be a solid workout for you guys to really work for that double under, to work for that crossover, and to get that feel, like I always say, because the feel and handling of your rope is so important. So the third point is the composition of the rope. We went for PVC Vinyl, is 10 millimeters thick. So to put that into comparison again with the money rope is 5 millimeters thick, so this is double, and it's going to be a lot more durable. You're going to be able to use it on hardwood flooring, you'll be able to use it on concrete as well if you do tend to skip on concrete and don't have access to mats, but this is a solid rope, guys. It's going to be one, again, that you can get some speed out of it at the same time, get that solid workout, do those transitions, and it will last so much more longer if you have to skip on concrete or cement or whatever it is. I've always been an advocate of PVC. I think it travels through like the air quicker, it cuts through the air quicker, and the clip that you get off the floor is really nice. I'm not a big fan of steel or plastic steel kind of capped ropes, so that is why we went with the PVC fill. The fourth point is the handles, and this is, I feel, where I've really come into it. This rope has been designed literally from start to finish by us, and that's why I feel that the whole legacy idea around it, just building on your dreams, I feel that this rope has it, because the handles have been made, I feel, to perfection. It really does fit the palm of everyone's hands so beautifully. It's light, it feels nice on the hands, there's going to be no friction on your hands, it's not going to feel uncomfortable. I haven't put any kind of rubber pads on it or anything like that. It's just a cool plastic finish, really ergonomic. And again, it's just going to fit in the palm of your hand, so when you're doing your double unders, when you're doing your crossovers, you're going to literally just feel like the rope is connected to your hand, and that is why I love this rope so much. Again, if you see any of my clips, all of my workouts that I've already shown you, if you follow this channel closely, you'll see that I'm able to manipulate the rope because I have that feel, and the handles are so important to make sure that you can kind of get that feel. Next point is the adjustment of the rope. So these ropes are going to come in 10-foot and 11-foot long, and they're really easy to adjust, exactly like the speed rope, exactly like the money rope. You're just going to be able to just use that little adjustment mechanism. You're going to unfasten it, you're going to adjust the size of the rope how you need to, and just pop it back into the handles. It's just quick and easy. It's going to take you 2 seconds. Right, so in terms of the colors and the pricing and everything else, firstly the colors, we're going to bring out, of course, our iconic yellow rope. You're going to get this with black handles. You're also going to get a black and white rope, and we're also working towards different color combinations. We're working towards a red and black. We're working towards the blue heavy rope as well, which you guys saw on my prototype and you liked so much, so I'm trying to make that happen. So the $1 million question, you guys all want to know, what is this going to cost? This is going to retail on our website for £25. We wanted to create a rope, guys, that was reachable, that it was accessible to the globe, for everyone out there, every single country. And believe me, this rope is so good. You're gonna get so much for your money. And like the wow, come on birds, like the money rope, we just want to get this into your hands. We want to get it into your hands as easy as possible. We want to give you the best service as possible, as always. If you've been following this channel, you guys know that I am hustling hard, I am working hard. We just want to make your fitness journey just epic. We want to help you just achieve your goals as quick as possible, and we want to get you turning heads at your gym or wherever you are. Exactly what I've said in every single video, I'm sure, guys. You have followed the journey. Now I want you to be a part of the legacy. So I want to do a giveaway, guys. It's going to be a special giveaway. It's going to be the first giveaway of the legacy rope, and I'm going to give away 2 ropes to one guy and one girl anywhere in the world. I need you guys to get involved, and what you're going to do is just plain and simple. I want you to comment down below, and I want you to tell me why you want the legacy rope, and share something cool about yourself. Just give me a fact, give me something wacky. It could be a short story, something that you've overcome in your life. I just want to know more about you, and I want to get this to you, and I want this to be the most epic giveaway I've ever done. Be the first in the world to get, wow, they've just gone in. Oh man, you know, I'm trying to have a sentimental moment. You guys have followed the journey, you've followed this channel, you've seen the birds, you've seen the planes, you've seen the foxes, and now we've got, what is this? just share something cool about yourself. Share me a story. Share why you want this rope. And last but not least, please leave me your country. Let me know what country you're from and your age. That's all I ask from you guys. I want this to get out to the world. I want this, literally, this is the most epic rope, and it means so much to me to be able to say that I've created this rope. And I'm sharing this legacy with you guys. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video right there and then. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As usual, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.